Well, hey guys, Louie here, and welcome to the weekend. I'm glad we made it. And boy, oh boy, what a great week for silver. I guess I nailed that one because I had a really good week in the paper markets with miners and paper, silver, and gold. As I mentioned last week, I thought we were oversold down here. And I think I was off by about 4 hours or something, but had a nice big back run up into the 24s. Let's take a look at gold and see how it did. But you know what? For my money, silver is stronger. So let's see what the GSR is here. I don't know if they have a graph of that. Nope. Oh, gold to silver. Here we go. Okay, so here is the GSR. We were up as high as 79 and dropped back down to 76, and now we are hovering around that 76 mark. So it looks like silver wants to behave a little better than gold here, with the GSR dropping as it is. And you might have thought, with the metals having some weakness, that we could get a spike back up in the GSR like we did back in March, but that was not meant to be. I think that has to do with commodity inflation, and that is why I think platinum is making its move. It didn't even stop to hardly say hello to 1,000 as it spiked up to 1050. Wow, can you believe that? Wasn't that long ago we were down around 800, wondering if we would ever see 850. And, but platinum is a commodity. I'm not going to open it up, but my basket of commodities, which I don't actually own all of them any longer, are now up 50%. So commodities are skyrocketing. Of course, the markets are predicting a full and robust recovery. They're seeing right over the shadow of the valley of death to the recovery that comes after the vaccine is rolled out. And perhaps that will be true, perhaps it won't, but markets are clearly on a tear, and that is pulling money out of metals, right? So I don't know if we're going to continue here in this very, very familiar 24 to 25 zone or not. But I think we've shown that we're also not going to be hanging out in the 22s for very long. So I think what has to happen is a little bit of the bloom has to come off the rose when it comes to predicting the full recovery of the world. All right, now the story of the week has also been the crashing U.S. dollar. Making new cycle lows for, I don't know how long it's been since we've been this low, but it occurs to me that those people outside of the United States are really getting a great opportunity to pick up more gold and silver, and that is because gold is priced in U.S. dollars, and when the dollar weakens as compared to your home currency, and if gold is falling, for example, at the same time, you get a tremendous opportunity to pick up gold in your own currency at a discount. So for those of you outside the United States, let's take a look at some of these charts. This is the 6-month spot price in various other currencies. The United States is in red, so you'll see the familiar, 2,000 plus peak here back in August. And, in many currencies, they potentially were weaker than the dollar back then. But now we are seeing that the dollar being so weak, it's driving the price down to really long-term lows in other countries. I thought I'd go through the countries really quickly. So right now you can see a considerable discount in the Australian dollar, in the British pound. Again, a significant discount to where we started 6 months ago. And actually to you it may appear that we've dropped further, but actually a tremendous discount right now to pick some up. Let's check the Canadian dollar. Also gold at a discount to US dollars compared to 6 months ago. Chinese, they don't, oh yeah, here it is, the yuan. Very cheap right now in the Chinese yuan. So another opportunity, could have had it at the equivalent of, let's see, that is about 11,700. The euro, also a discount. India, not as much of a discount there. Japanese yen, pretty good discount. Peso, pretty good discount. Russian ruble. No, the Russian ruble is actually more expensive, so they must be devaluing the ruble. And the Swiss franc also definitely. So, you know, you have an opportunity to pick up gold roughly where it was 6 months ago. And definitely at a discount to where it used to be when there was parity between the dollar and your currency. So I think that's just very interesting. I don't know if that is causing people to buy more in their currencies, or if they're liquidating because they think it's going down further. But there's an aberration in the market right now that is definitely driving the price down in non-US currencies if you're looking to accumulate. Do you think the price of gold will go lower? Well, you know, it could possibly bounce around maybe another $100, but I don't think we're going to see the old lows. I don't think that'll continue forever, but maybe it will. I don't know if we really get rolling on quantitative easing and more stimulus. That could happen. Then again, they could have a measured stimulus program that maybe doesn't give the markets quite as much euphoria as we have right now. But I thought this was interesting that for once people outside the United States are getting a break. All right, and I'm over here at Monument Metals. So during that dip, I was able to also make a physical purchase, and I did pick up some of these 10-ounce 007 bars. So let me show you those. I don't have this order yet, but really happy to buy that on the dip. It was still, you know, a solid $5 over spot. Let's see, maybe James Bond is how they call it. I imagine they're still in stock. Let's see what they're charging for these now. They've got the gold, by the way. So there is the 10-ounce bar, and I believe I got mine about $10 cheaper or $15 cheaper than that. So I bought a few of those. I looked on eBay, and I was amazed at what the 10-ounce bars are going for a premium, but the 1-ounce bars are really, really going for a premium. So if you can find those 1-ounce James Bond bars, those may have been the better buy. But I went for the 10s, and I got, I don't know, about 4 of those. I was also able to get a great deal on a 1/4-ounce Kangaroo, which is interesting because I just did a trade for a 1/4-ounce Kangaroo, and I have that to unbox for you right now. So let me just see if I can find this gold Kangaroo that was random date. Really good price, really low premium on this particular offering. 1/10, 1/4. Yeah, it was this one here. Well, not the 2021. It was random. Yeah, it was the random date Kangaroos. I don't see those any longer, but it was a solid price on the 1/4-ounce random year Kangaroo. So that'll be coming, but I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing for you now, which is a trade that I made with a good friend of mine, Vein of Gold and Silver. I traded Libertads, and he traded a little bit of gold, and I'm going to unbox that for you right now. Okay guys, this is the unboxing of what I traded to VOGAS, and it was only for a 1/4-ounce gold, but the package is a little larger than that, so let's see. Perhaps he has just overwrapped this a little bit to make sure that the gold didn't get lost in here, but uh-oh, look at that, look at that, man. He knows I'm a comic book collector, And there we go, the Avengers. Oh, this is Thor. And let's see, from May 1999. Wow, there's a time capsule. There's a time capsule. Thank you, VOGAS. It's nicely protected there. I won't take it out, but that's a lot of fun. Oh, thank you so much. I'll have to give that a read and go back to 1999 when I was like 40 years old or something. Thank you so much. That's fun. Okay, so on to the itty bitty gold. But looks like more packaging. Okay, and then we got a box inside a box. And let's open this up. There we go. I know there's gold in here somewhere. This is like mining for gold. All right, and another bag. And I do hope you like the Libertads I sent you. Tried to give you a good little cross-section of Libertads from my collection. All right, there's something in a blue pouch. And there is something else and something else. Pardon the noise. Okay. Oh, this is a fun unboxing. Oh, wow. Oh, that is beautiful. I don't have my magnifying glass. Look, Indian head penny. Oh, and that is so beautiful. Look at the aging on that Indian head. I think I've told you before that my uncle, who's long gone, who got me into coins, he used to have a trunk of these. He used to have an absolute trunk. Now this one, yeah, 1 cent. It's funny how it seems so much smaller than a modern cent. Perhaps they were smaller. They sure look like they were. Oh, that is just gorgeous. Thank you so much. I love that. Love that. And, oh my God, he's got a new sticker as well. Oh, dude, you've really come along. That is a gorgeous sticker. Oh, vein of gold and silver. Look at that. That is beautiful. That is so appropriate for you. And here is a little flip with a couple of little pogs or whatever they call those things. Maybe they're magnets. Let's take one of these out. Not sure why they're in a flip. No, I just think it's more stickers. So there's an extra flip and some other. All right, here comes the gold. Sorry to make you wait for it, but that was a fun unboxing, and I got a comic book to read also. That's awesome. All right, and here, oh, there's something else in here, so I'll show you that first. Oh, beautiful. Oh, is that 25 centavos? Oh, that's one of your Olympic, no. Yeah, it's one of your Olympic coins. We were trading these back and forth a little bit, but that is from the Olympics, the Mexican Olympics. I think it's 25 centavos. And I don't recall the purity offhand, but gee, that's a gorgeous example. Thank you. I know you love these, and you have lots of memories of these Olympics. So thank you so much. What a great bonus gift. And here is the kangaroo. As you know, I'm trading stuff for gold here when I can. And I buy plenty of silver, but I often forget the gold, so I like to do trades for gold if anybody's interested in doing that at fair prices. And there is a beautiful kangaroo. Like I was saying, this is identical to the one that I just purchased the other day on the dip, the random date. Nice little 1/4 ounce gold, $9.99. Nobody will ever question the authenticity of that. And there are lots of them out there, but you could do a beautiful little quarter-ounce gold date run. I'm sorry, I don't have my magnifying glass, or I would tell you the date. Maybe you can tell me. Let's see, what side is it on? Yeah, down there. Well, let's see if we can get a close-up of that. All right, well, I'll come back and look for that date after I process the video. But there it is, another quarter-ounce of gold. I've picked up, oh my gosh, 2-3 ounces here in the last few months. So that's going really, really well. Never regret buying gold. I never regret buying it. Silver, I do a lot of trading and selling and flipping and collecting, but gold just goes into the stack. All right, guys, that's it. So with a little shot of the VOGAS sticker, I'll put a link to his channel here. He is one of the best people on earth. Very, very generous. Wonderful friend. Okay, guys, you have a wonderful weekend. I'll catch you later. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to like this video.